Good day everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please like, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Today we are going to be learning how to cut and sew our bow hairband. So these are our fabrics, the one for our band, the one for holding our band and our bow, the one for our bow and our cloth gum for the bow. We will be gumming the cloth gum to the fabric for our bow. So the measurement we use for our small piece to join it together is 4 by 4 inch. The one for our bow is 11 by 8 inch, as you can see. Then the one for our elastic is 21 inch. We got an elastic of 21 inch. Okay, then the one for our band, the fabric for our band, we cut it 30 inch long and 4 inch width, as you can see. So that's it. The next thing we are going to do now is to iron, do our ironing. We'll iron our bow piece now to our cloth gum. Iron it properly so that it could stick together. This will make it stand firm. Okay, so we are done ironing them together. Then we'll fold it and then iron. So we'll take them to our machine and sew. Okay, so now we want to sew our bow piece. We'll sew it inside. We'll sew it now, sew it to a point. Okay, and leave that small space. We'll use in the small space will be used in turning it in. We use it to turn it in so we can hide our seam. Okay, so we are done turning in. The next thing we'll do is to fold the open side inside, then stitch on top of it. Stitch on it. Okay, so we are done sewing our bow piece. The next thing we are going to do is to sew our band piece. So what we are going to do now is to sew our band piece. We'll fold it into two like this, then sew it straight down. Okay, done sewing it to the end. Done sewing to the end. Next thing I'm going to do now is to turn it inside. Turn it inside. Okay, I'm done turning it. Then I'm going to put my elastic inside like so. Putting my elastic inside, as you can see. Okay, so I'm done putting my elastic inside from one edge, and I'm going to stitch that edge. I'm going to stitch the edge. I'm done stitching it now, and I'm going to, from the other edge, bring out my elastic. With the other edge, I'm going to bring out my elastic. So I'm done doing that, and I'm going to now stitch the other end. Okay, so I'm done stitching both ends of our band. Our elastic is now inside. Then we'll bring the two edges together and stitch them together. Bring the two edges together and stitch them together. Okay, we're done stitching them together, as you can see. Then we'll bring our small piece and sew it in, sew from the inside. So I'm done sewing it. Now we have our 3-piece together. We'll now fold our bow the way it's meant to be, the way I'm doing it. We've gotten our bow. Then we'll bring our band, that side we stitched together, and bring our small piece. So we'll bring our small piece, arrange it how it's supposed to be, as you can see the way I'm doing it. Then we'll sew at the back of the small piece to hold it well. So we're done sewing, and we'll turn it inside, turn our stitch inside to hide our stitch. Okay, so I'm done turning it in. As you can see, our stitch is not visible. Our bow, we arrange it properly at the front, arrange it properly, and as you can see, we are done. It's very easy to make, very easy to make. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel so you can get notification whenever I post any video.